Alright, so what's going on, guys? We're going to make keto chicken Parmesan. Is it, babe? We crushed up some chicharrones for the crust. We have the almond flour. Cut up some hot dogs because Sherry's gonna make some spaghetti for the kids. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I want to show you guys how you guys can make a keto chicken Parmesan using chicharron and almond flour. Stay tuned, y'all. Roll. Okay, so what are we doing here now, Sherry?
Just making an egg wash for everything to stick.
She's making an egg wash so she can transfer, well, she can dip these chicken breasts into the eggs, flour, and then the chicharron for the crust. Instead of using, what do they usually use? Breadcrumbs? Or panko for chicken Parmesan, but we're gonna go ahead and use the chicharron. So yeah, this is the station here. Eggs, almond flour, and then the chicharron, guys. Well, she is going to make Filipino spaghetti for the kids. She's boiling the water now. I'll show you guys the final product later, but we're gonna do this step process. She's trying to make sure which one go first, but it's gonna go ahead and be the almond flour, the egg, and then the chicharron crust. Alright, guys, so she is breading the chicken. One down here. I'll show you guys how she's going to go ahead and do the other one. It's an almond flour first.
Very cool.
Very careful.
I said keto friendly.
Oh, keto friendly, sorry. My bad. Anyways, the egg wash. Then it goes into the chicharron pipes. It's gonna be so fire, guys. Can't wait for it to be done, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so she just got done cooking the ground beef, onions and garlic, and hot dogs for the girls' spaghetti. Go ahead. She's gonna add spaghetti sauce, meat sauce. We're gonna throw that in there. That's a pretty good trick though. She doesn't put nothing to waste. She adds a little bit of water and pours the rest in there. Some real Filipino stuff. But yeah, other than us doing the chicken Parmesan with the almond flour and chicharron, I mean, we're doing better, but the only thing that's probably non-keto is gonna probably be this marinara or the Filipino spaghetti on, the sauce on top. But we're doing better, y'all. This is what really makes it Filipino. She's adding the jufron, so it's a banana ketchup that we use for a lot of things. For salads, dip your eggs in. Filipinos use it for the spaghetti sauce. So yeah. So she's done making the spaghetti sauce. What you gotta say, Sherry? You're hungry? She's hungry. She just got off of work, but this is the Filipino spaghetti sauce. She's gonna add a little bit more of the jufron. She said it didn't taste good enough, so yeah. Now we'll come back over here. We're gonna have some broccoli with our chicken Parmesan. The girls' noodles are already cooked. So yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. Thanks, babe. How's it taste?
That's better.
Good. Hi, girls. Roll. Hello. So, say cheers, babe. Cheers, bro. She is making
Chicken Parmesan.
What is it, babe?
Chicken Parmesan, sort of.
Chicken Parmesan. She's frying it, guys. So this is with the chicharron and almond flour. I'm gonna go ahead and boil the broccoli. Cheers, y'all. It's gonna be her vlog today, guys. She's cooking. Everybody give her a round of applause. It's for the kids. That's for their Filipino spaghetti. Say something to the camera.
It's just my mouth. Oh no, look, I just fell off work.
How do you get off work? But you are cooking for your family, making sure you're getting doing the real stuff. So it's your vlog today.
Almost done.
Almost done. You can show them how it looks.
Careful, my.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. Fire. Can't wait. Alright guys, while we're cooking, Roro is there making her TikToks on the ring light. She's using my ring light, y'all, on my desk. Go ahead, Roro. Hi, baby. Oh yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel and hit that post notification bell so you guys know when we're gonna upload next. But boom! Look guys, this is for me and Sherry to share. Broccoli, got our chicken parmesan with almond flour and chicharron, hella cheese. The only thing that's probably not keto is the sauce, but we doing better, y'all. Lost 40 pounds together. We're gonna keep doing it. Let's get it. All right, guys. So dinner's ready. We're all at the dinner table. Thanks, Sherry, cooking us dinner. She's digging in. But yeah, please like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, guys. This was a quick, cute little video that Sherry did for us.
I thought it was Donald.
Oh, well, they're clowning me because I always say bell notification. But anyways, please y'all like, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace.